Hi, I need running shoes.
For casual running or racing?
I signed up for a 5K race.
Exciting! What is your shoe size?
10 and a half.
Let me measure your foot first.
You measure feet here?
Yes, to find the perfect shoe.
Okay, go ahead.
You have a neutral arch.
What does that mean?
Most shoes will work for you.
Which ones do you recommend?
These cushioned ones, very comfortable.
Can I try them?
Take a jog around the store.
They feel like clouds.
Perfect fit, no slipping.
How much?
$99 on sale.
Great, I will take them.
You will run great in these.
Hi, I want to register for the 5K.
The Maple Park 5K?
Yes, for 2 people.
Names and ages, please.
Sarah Miller, 32. Tom Miller, 34.
Registration is $20 per person.
40 for both. Here's my card.
You get a race t-shirt and bib number.
What color t-shirt?
Blue this year, with the park logo.
When is the race?
May 15th, 7 a.m. start.
That gives us 4 weeks to train.
Do you need a training plan?
You have one?
Yes, a beginner 4-week plan.
That would be perfect.
Run 3 times a week, walk-run method.
Walk run? I like that.
Start slow, build up. You will finish.
First-time runners? I can help.
Yes, we signed up for the 5K.
Week 1, run 1. Walk 2.
Only 1 minute of running?
That is how you build endurance.
I thought we would run the whole time.
No, slow and steady wins the race.
How far today?
Just 1 mile, no pressure.
1 mile. I can do that.
Stretch first, very important.
What stretches?
Legs, ankles, and shoulders.
Like this?
Hold for 15 seconds each.
Okay, ready to go.
Start slow.
This is fun.
Running outside is the best.
Much better than a treadmill.
Fresh air, trees, nature.
I think I can do 5K.
You absolutely can.
Hi, I'm training for a 5K.
Awesome. What do you need?
Protein bars for after running.
These ones have 20 grams of protein.
What flavor is best?
Chocolate peanut butter is our best seller.
I will try that one.
How about electrolyte tablets?
What are those for?
They replace salt you lose from sweating.
Just drop them in water?
Yes, they dissolve in seconds.
Do I need them for a 5K?
On hot days, definitely.
How much for both?
Protein bars are $18 for a box.
And the electrolyte tablets?
$8 for a tube.
I will take one of each.
$26. Good luck training.
Thank you. See you at the finish line.
Week 2. Run 2 minutes, walk 1.
Double the running already.
You can do it. Keep breathing.
In through the nose, out through the mouth.
Perfect rhythm.
My legs are not as sore this week.
Your body is adapting.
How far have we run?
1.5 miles.
Without stopping?
Well, we walked some, but mostly running.
I can feel the difference.
Your pace is faster too.
Really?
Yes, 11-minute mile.
Is that good?
For week 2, amazing.
2 more weeks until race day.
We will be ready.
I'm actually enjoying this.
Running is addictive.
Could be worse addictions.
We need lots of carbs tonight.
Running a race tomorrow?
Yes, our first 5K.
Pasta is the best pre-race food.
Spaghetti with tomato sauce?
Classic. With garlic bread?
Yes, and a side salad.
For energy, may I suggest a banana as well?
Bananas have potassium.
Prevents muscle cramps.
No dessert tonight. Gotta rest early.
What time is the race?
7 a.m. start.
Early. Get a good night's sleep.
That is the plan.
How long have you been training?
4 weeks.
You will do great.
Good morning, runners. Ready? Pin your bib numbers to the front.
I am number 342.
Water stations at mile 1 and 2.
Do we give medals?
Everyone who finishes gets a medal.
Everyone? Even last place?
Finishing is winning.
I like that attitude.
The horn blows at 7 a.m. sharp.
5 minutes to go.
Stretch one more time.
Good idea. Deep breaths too.
Remember, start slow, finish strong.
I hear the countdown. 10, 9, 8.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
You did it! Congratulations!
We really did it.
Here is your medal. Well deserved.
It is heavier than I expected.
And one for your husband.
Tom, we finished a 5K.
Your time is 38 minutes.
Is that good?
For first-timers, excellent.
I am sweating so much.
Water bottles are over there.
And bananas? My legs need potassium.
Orange slices too. Help yourself.
This medal is beautiful.
You earned every step.
We are 5K finishers.
38 minutes, not bad.
My legs are like jelly.
Mine too, but happy jelly.
Where should we hang the medals?
By the front door so everyone sees them.
A little braggy.
We earned the brag.
The training plan really worked.
Week 1 was so hard.
Should we sign up for the 10K?
In August, that is double.
Coach Dana said we can do it.
If we keep training.
3 times a week?
Deal. Running partners forever.
I love running with you.